All right, so here I am with my 50K trading combine on Monday, June the 3rd, already in June here. So far, so good. 50% winning days, days complete 6. Actually, disaster, right? Started off really bad. Casino trading it, and now digging out of that hole's almost like $130 away from blowing it up. And I've been digging out. So far, we're at $49,155. And once I get to 50,000, be break even, and then I'll need to make profit target of 3,000 above that to be able to finish this combine. So all in all, I'm gonna have to make almost 5,000 for this combine that only required $3,000 to complete. But that's how it is. All good. So I'm gonna dig out of this hole, and well, hopefully today will be an easy day. Get in, get out. I already missed the first morning trade that's set up, so hopefully another trade will set up, and I can make some money. All right, bring that to you. Okay, just realized my mic was muted, telling you all that stuff. So starting over, so I just jumped into NQ right here. It the trade is this W pattern that was breaking. It broke right here, and then came back down. So I got in at a little bit of a discount. Stop is at the bottom of that W pattern, looking for a target somewhere in this zone up here. The money trade was actually this morning. This red candle right here was the open. Where are we at? Right here. This red candle was here was the open. Got the close above, the break below. Should have traded that, but I wasn't here at the computer and missed that slide. So now I'm looking at this W pattern. Kind of had a W pattern right here, a bit of a sloppy one. Broke, never hit its target, which would have been in this zone here. And then we got another kind of W inside that W. And looking for a move up to this zone up in this area. So in the trade, let's see if it can break through here and go higher. If not, I will reverse my trade if it wants to go lower. Okay, I'm going to start looking to trail one contract though here. Once we start to break through, it's really having a hard time getting through this what's becoming a resistance area. Okay, let's go. No, it's thinking about it, doesn't want to do it. See, he keeps getting rejected. So next push up, I'm gonna put one contract out. W patterns and M patterns, they usually break pretty fast, so if it's not breaking, then I might need to start looking to get out here. Again, resistance. Right there, getting stuck.
Order filled.
All right, took one contract off. It's getting stuck, it's not good. Okay, good thing I took that contract off. It's gonna expand the range here, then I'm gonna go ahead and jump in short. Or just reverse my trade, speed bump it. My stop will be up here where my old entry was. Kind of a nice big M pattern forming here to the short side if this wants to break, which is where my stop is. And I'll reverse that trade to the downside here. 2 contracts. Okay, get ready to get...
Order filled.
All right, there we go. Short 2 contracts now. Buy stop market.
Order submitted.
Looking for a target down here. Stop actually has to be just above that because of the M pattern. If it was just a speed bump, I'd leave it here, but we do have this M pattern, so I need to give it the proper stop. Not sure if I'll survive the max loss with this if it retraces first. The $1,000 daily max loss might get triggered. Let me go ahead and drop this down 1 contract so I can get out one as soon as possible, just because I don't want to hit that max loss. I should have did the math and only got 1 contract here. Okay, here we go. NQ breaking to the downside nicely. Trying to lock in at least 1 here just in case it gets rejected off this area.
Order filled. Order submitted.
It's a low of day. It's tagging right now, so it's having some resistance here. Might just jump out there if it wants to try that again. Okay, gonna trail this one. If this wants to start struggling a little bit, enough to where I can get out, I will. And then I'll put my order to get back in when it breaks low of day. Okay, I put my stop in. Alright, good deal. Breaking low of day.
Order filled.
Alright, buy stop market.
Order
2.
submitted.
Almost broke low of day. There's low of day right there. So now if it breaks it, I'll get back in. Okay.
Order filled.
There it goes. And back in. Now it's officially into my target that I was looking for. We're breaking low of day at the same time. I do want to try to put my stop in though. I don't want to give away my day's profits. And it hit my target, so that's good. But at the same time, it's breaking low of day, so I want to give it a moment to try to go lower.
Order filled.
All right, so out of that trade, so I'll pick up $488 for the day after commission, so not too bad, $49,643, so about $360 away from getting back to break even. So still digging out of the hole, but on the way there, yes, this could continue to slide a lot. But my probabilities are this, was this target, and I got my probability. So now I don't know what's going to happen. I would just have to wait for another setup to jump back in. Look what's happening now. See? So if I was greedy, I might miss this opportunity. It's going to be a fake out breakout to the downside, ripping higher. But if this does turn into a sharp W pattern, I'll probably jump back in. But right now it looks like I'm going to be done trading for the day. But yeah, well, I'll wait a little bit. We'll see what happens here. All right, nope. So that totally broke down, and yeah, we could have made another $400 or $500. Could be break even already. I'm getting FOMO to jump in, but I'm gonna follow the plan, digging out of the hole, and yeah, so far so good. So 488 today. If I took that first trade this morning, I'd be up over $1,000 in the day. Would have been pretty sweet, but all good. All right, tomorrow's Tuesday. I will not be trading tomorrow, but Wednesday I should be able to be back on the computer. So look for some trades coming Wednesday. All right, everybody, have an awesome day.